That's a great question. So I would say initially,
So I just never knew what to do. So for example, with the like, comment, and subscribe, I was always one of the guys when watching YouTube channels is like,
Say it in a way that feels more human, because I think
Right.
as content creators, it's like
you can work so hard, but because of the situation you're in and like corrupt government or whatever, it's kind of hard to like.
Ruslan.
right. Yo, talk to me, my guy.
What's up, Ruslan? How you doing?
I'm good, man. Thank you so much for calling in, brother.
Good. Yeah, so I had a question. So I have a bunch of interests in terms of things that I like to do. But when putting stuff on YouTube, would you like recommend separating things out onto different channels or like putting it all onto one thing?
That's a great question. So I would say initially, the more you can zone in on one thing, the better. And then as your main thing grows, then spread it out. So initially I just focused on my main channel and I got that to we got that to 200,000 subscribers. And then we ventured off and we did Bless God Studios, which kind of gives me a bit more stuff to play with that's not overtly about faith, and also podcasting, longer form. And then we also launched Master YouTube Live around the same time. So I think it's ideal to do one thing, do it really, really well, zone in, make sure you do the master your niche training that we put together, and do that for a season and grow it aggressively, and then say, okay, now let me venture out and maybe spread out and do a couple different things. What would you say your niche is like on your YouTube?
Yeah, so I'd say technology for sure.
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
Just my name, Chike Odeluka.
Can you pull them up real quick? I think I've talked to you before. Have we talked before?
Yeah, there's like we've hit each other's DMs a while back. Here
Okay, your name looks familiar.
Yeah, I believe I was like, yo, have you seen Caleb Gordon? This man's popping off. Like, or it was way back. It was when I liked one of his songs, and I first got into your channel by just like kind of checking out music and stuff. So
got it. Okay, so you just started. Okay, so good. You're posting
Yeah.
shorts. I think you're doing all the right things, and you're posting about medium form videos. That's what I would call them. I don't know if that's really a thing.
they're doing well.
They're doing well.
Yeah, he's got 61 subs and he's got 280 views on his latest video that was 6 days ago, 48 views 2 weeks ago, but 468 views 2 weeks ago. Like, he's cracking multiple hundreds.
Yeah, thumbnails look good.
Yeah.
Are you doing a couple things, infusing your personality, getting to the point of the video, and then also encouraging people to like, subscribe, comment at the end of the videos or midway through the videos?
yeah, I would say I'm doing all those except. So I just never knew what to do. So for example, with the like, comment, and subscribe, I was always one of the guys when watching YouTube channels is like, I wish I could be the guy that could just not say like, comment, subscribe, and people will just do it. So, but I recently started doing that in the past couple of videos. But I would say probably everything up from the last two videos, I hadn't been doing any of that. So
Gotcha.
Hey, check this out. You want to know the main reason new creators fail on YouTube? They don't know who they're creating videos for, and they don't have any purpose behind their videos. This turns the whole process of shooting videos into a tedious chore that will eventually lead to burnout. And trust me when I tell you, I have been there. If you want to discover exactly what type of videos you should make that will increase your chances of success on YouTube and help you avoid burnout, sign up below for my free Master My Niche training. This training will walk you through a custom system that will help you get clarity on the niche of your channel and help you make videos that you should be creating. I'll see you over at mastermyniche.com.
Well, your videos look great. Your set looks great. The colors look great. Here's something we just did this in real time. We did a little call to action that I totally fumbled earlier of our subscribe thing. Right? And it's like, yo, you guys want to see something crazy? Less than 50% of you, whatever. You guys are subscribed on this channel. Make sure that alone has us with the second biggest subscriber month ever.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't been keeping track.
Yeah. If on our main channel,
I'll pull it up.
our best month ever in subscribers was 30,000 subscribers. In the last 28 days, we're at almost 15,000, 14,000 subscribers in the last 28 days, simply by adding the call to action and doing it in a creative way. Do you know what I'm talking about?
yeah, so I believe you have like a way more. How do I say stat? Like we have some of the same
Analytics
stats,
to reference.
but you
Yeah.
got a lot
Yes.
more analytics. Yeah.
Yep.
So
Yeah. I mean, I
I
don't
see
think
what
you
you're
have to do it. I don't think you have to do it the same way that Ruslan does it.
Yeah.
I would just find and especially if you find it weird to be like, comment, and subscribe because it feels too played out. Like sometimes just try asking for one of them.
Yep.
You can just be like, hey, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, or just be like, maybe subscribe. You know, like say it in a way that feels more human because I think as content creators, it's like easy to feel like you have to say these things and they're supposed to come out in a specific way. But I think you can deliver them in whatever way you want. Like, hey, if you just enjoyed that tip, consider giving this video a like.
Yeah.
Cost you nothing.
It's good.
You know what I'm saying? Like, just think of creative ways to communicate that message while still asking people, especially if you feel like you don't want to be that guy that's like, comment, subscribe.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. What I started doing recently, the past couple videos, was like, hey, like this video if that's what you want to do. Like,
Exactly. You're making it more casual for
like
them.
this video now. Yeah, type of thing. You guys were talking about, you mentioned Nigeria and how like you can work so hard, but because of the situation you're in and like corrupt government or whatever, it's kind of hard to succeed there. And I just wanted to say, yeah, my dad is actually from Nigeria. Him and my mom are Nigerian, and they immigrated over years ago. But one of the reasons he tells me he came over to the States was just because like he got instilled hard work into him, but no matter how hard that he worked, it was like because of corruptness, like you could never see like that, basically the American dream. So like when he came to America, that hard work just like pays off, and bless God, he's been doing well just like over the years. But yeah, I just wanted to piggyback up on that. It's like so true that depending on where you're from, whether it's whatever third world or corrupt country, it can really have an effect on how, I guess, hard you're working and seeing results from that.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
yeah,
absolutely. And by the way, you hear this from immigrants all the time, primarily. You hear it from immigrants. You'll hear it from folks that are like, yeah, like, trust me, man.
It's not that cool over there.
Yeah, it's not lit over there. It ain't perfect here, but it is not lit in other places of the world because we still have the ability, we still have the option for upward mobility here. It may get harder. It may get more complicated. The markets might change. Your skill set may need to change. You might need to go pick up new things. You might need to get a new certification. But versus other places where, it's the fatalism is real in a lot of places of the world.
Thank you for calling in, man.
Yep.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thanks,
you, my
guys.
guy.
Appreciate
All
it.
right now.
Take care.
Hey, this clip is from our daily after party stream. If you enjoyed it, consider signing up for our Patreon community for only $5 a month, where you get access to the replays of our daily after party streams, as well as the uncut extended versions of our podcast, Discord access that's private, and a discount code for our merch store, only $5 a month. And ultimately, it's the best way to help us contextualize the gospel of Jesus using media, podcasting, and of course, YouTube. The link for that is in the description or in the pinned comment. The perks are amazing. You should get on there. It's only $5 a month. I'll see you over there, all right? Peace.